Hello guys, and welcome back for another video on this channel. So in this video we're going to make amazing ketogenic hamburger buns. This is basically as close as you can get to normal hamburger buns. Then you can also use these buns for sandwich buns, so this is very exciting. Our son is going to be 2 years old tomorrow and we're going to have a party, so it's very late now and we're basically preparing this for the guests. Yeah. Let's walk you through it and let's enjoy the cooking. These are the ingredients that you need. You need 3/4 of a cup almond flour, 1/4 of a cup coconut flour. Then you need 1/4 of a cup flax flour, and we basically had flax seeds at home and we ground them up with a mixer so that it becomes like a flour. So you just add this. Then you need 1/6 of a cup of ground psyllium seed. Then you need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So you just mix this together. And then in a separate bowl, you take 3 egg whites, you take another egg, and then you take apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon. Then you whisk up the eggs. And now you add this into the other bowl. You also add about 1.5 deciliter of lukewarm water. And then you mix this mixture up with an electric mixer. So this is your dough. This is the consistency that you want. It's pretty good. And now we're going to put this on a tray. Alright guys, so this mixture makes for 4 quite big buns. I guess you can still make 6 for it to be an okay size. So now we will put this on the tray. I actually realized that there is no word for non-keto, you know, like for example you have like Jewish, and then if something is non-Jewish you say like non-kosher, if I know it correctly, and there's all kinds of words for things, and I think I'm going to use muggles for people who are not on keto. So basically we have our family coming and most of them are muggles. We are going to make some keto buns for them. The others are going to eat normal ones. So we are actually very interested to see how they will like these keto hamburger buns. And I wonder if they will notice that this is not muggle keto hamburger buns. So you put them here and then you form them with the spatula. You want to make sure that they're really nice bun shaped. And I always forget to say that you preheat the oven to 180 Celsius degrees and a lot of Fahrenheit. And we're going to cook these babies for about 50-55 minutes. Another awesome step that you can do is put sesame seeds on top of these before you put them into the oven. So I'm actually going to do that now. So and now we're going to push in these seeds with the spatula. So now we put them in the oven for 50-55 minutes and then they'll be good to go. These look ready and it's only actually been 40 minutes, but it's fine. So let's take them out. Whoa. So this is what these babies look like. I'm going to let them cool for a little bit and then I'm going to show you the texture that is inside. They cooled down now. I'm going to cut into the bun to show you the inside. And look here at this consistency. It's going to feel a bit wet. Maybe it's because I did take them out a little bit early. Maybe you can leave it there for 5-10 more minutes, but I actually like it like this. This is the closest thing I've ever gotten to bread so far on the keto diet. I'm very happy with these. I really hope that you guys like it. Please give a like to this video. The calorie data should be on the screen. Don't forget to visit our website, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.